How to buy USDT on Phantom Wallet. So to add USDT on your Phantom Wallet, the first step is to ensure your wallet is properly set up. If you haven't already, you can download and install the Phantom Wallet extension or the app. Now once you've created your wallet, you'll need to connect it to Solana blockchain. And USDT can be added by simply navigating to the Add Token section and then selecting USDT or the Tether and confirming the token's addition to your wallet. So make sure to have the small amount of Solana in your wallet to cover transaction fees, as the Phantom wallet operates on the Solana blockchain. So the best coin to buy and hold now is still USDT. Is the great way to protect your portfolio from market volatility, and however, for potential growth, it's important to evaluate coins with solid fundamentals and future potentials. So as of now, tokens like DOT, Polkadot, and Extra show promise and strong promise. So this is basically how you can add USDT to Phantom wallet and some top coin recommendations. So basically just go to directly to the Phantom Wallet website and you will see there a Solana blockchain, as you can see. And then simply download it and then add token section. So you can just click the button directly, add a token, and you can just buy the crypto directly on the website or the app itself. And that is how you can buy or add USDT to your Phantom wallet.